How to use Blum. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Blum. Blum is a specific Telegram bot associated with cryptocurrency. It allows users to interact with certain crypto-related features, games, or wallet services directly through the Telegram platform. In order to use it, you will need to first have your Telegram account. Once you have that, open your Telegram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will find the search icon at the top right. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Blum. You will get the search results below. Here you will need to find Blum Crypto Bot. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. After that, you will be taken to the chat page of Blum Bot. Here, if you are using it for the first time, you will be able to see the Start button at the very bottom. Simply tap on the Start button and the bot will give you Launch button or command. Tap on this Launch Blum option. Now here, if you are using it for the first time, you will need to provide a nickname for your account to set it up. After that, you will need to follow the bot instructions to complete the account setup. After setting up your account, you can now play the drop game here. Tap on this play button at the right side of drop game. Once the game starts, the purpose is to tap on as many falling green flowers as possible within a 30-second of time limit. Be cautious of red bombs that also fall. Once you tap on this bomb, this will end your game immediately. You will need to focus on tapping flowers to maximize your score. And occasionally, you will see the special items like freeze power-ups that allows you to temporarily stop all falling items, giving you a chance to collect more flowers. Once the game ends, you will be able to continue and play if you have the game pass left in your account. By following the steps, you should be able to play drop game on Blum. You can also connect your wallet in this Blum. For that, you need to tap on this wallet icon at the right bottom. And from here, you can tap on this connect wallet and connect any compatible crypto wallet. You will also be able to send it to your friends by inviting them. For that, you need to tap on this friends option at the bottom. And from here, you can tap on invite a friend and you can share invitation link to your friends in order to join this platform. You are also likely to get a play pass or game pass for each friend you invite. So by following these steps, you should be able to use Blum. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.